Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, along a highway, there are electric poles on one side of the highway and telegraph poles on the other side. The electric poles are separated by 24 meters and the telegraph poles are separated by 60 meters. If an electric and a telegraph pole are both present at the point where the highway begins, after how much distance along the highway will they both be in front of each other again? Firstly, the distance between electric poles is given by 24 meters. Okay. Then the distance between telegraph poles is 20 meters. Okay. So, both the poles will be in front of each other again after the distance of that distance can be calculated by least common multiple of 24 and here it is 60. 60. Okay. Now, by prime factorization of 24 and 60, by prime factorization, (24) is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So the least common multiple of 24 and 60 is 2 cube. Okay. Highest power of 2 is 3 here. Then 3 into 5. So it is 120. Hence, after 120 meters, they both be in front of each other.